Welcome to Market Ki Baatein. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Welcome friends to this session, and we are going to be discussing about an interesting topic which is always a problem for many people, right? So welcome all of you. Welcome to this session, and good to connect with you all once again. And we'll try to find out how can we address some important points, especially dealing with the market open. तो जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं काफ़ी दिनों से मार्केट में जो उतार चढ़ाव हो रहा है उसमें काफ़ी लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. Welcome everyone, hello everyone, welcome everyone to the show, and it's always good to connect with all of you and find out कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. What are you guys doing and finding the markets? What are you trying to do in the markets? What are you trying to learn? What are you trying to interpret? How are you acting in the markets? क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? So welcome everyone, and I would like to know what are you doing, right? Whenever we get into the markets, the first thing we want to understand is, भाई market क्या करना चाह रहा है? What is the market telling us? Market में हो रहा क्या है? Right? That's what we want to understand. And when we want to understand that, काफ़ी सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं कम्युनिकेशन में, एंड वी ट्राई टू वंडर दैट आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स आफ्टर द ओपन और probably halfway down the road, we wonder what's really happening, whether I have really understood what the market was trying to tell me या क्या हो रहा है. आप लोग क्या करते हैं? What do you guys do to find out? So how do you measure कि how has the market opened? What do you see? What do you interpret? Right? So what do you guys do? Yeah, can anyone tell me कि आप लोग क्या करते हैं? I'll also be sharing with you how you can go about. Then of course it's your take on how you want to go ahead, but then I would like to know from you guys as to how are you approaching the market open. Okay, so you wait for price action, all right. What about the others? Price action is of course is something which you'll wait for, but then what do you see? Normally what do you see in a price action? Because entire market is about price action, and when the price action happens, काफ़ी सारे movement आते हैं, right? Okay, I get a 10-minute candle closing, all right. What about the others? What do you guys do? How do you find out? Okay, technical analysis एक broad aspect है, but उसके अंदर आप क्या देखते हैं? What do you see? Like suppose the market is open, right? 9:15 bell बजा ting, फिर क्या करेंगे? Okay, previous day low or high, very good, very good. That's a very good way to observe what is happening along the grinds. हो रहा क्या है? ट्रेंड फॉलो थ्रू हो रहा है, ट्रेंड फॉलो थ्रू नहीं हो रहा है. That's a good one. Okay, you see volumes. Great, great, great. 15-minute high low break. Wow. It's good to see that people are. That's what I want to know. What do you guys do? Okay, you use OI data and scanners, yes, but OI data and scanners are something which will take some time for the whole scenario to develop. Okay, support resistance, all right. 50 and 200 moving average, very good. Okay, CPR, all right, great. So I can see here that, okay, wait for 2 15-minute candles. Wow. So what I am seeing here is all of you are taking attempts to find out how, and it definitely gives you a good insight on what really is happening. It's a very, very powerful way on reading the markets. Okay, so the whole approach of the market action is something which many people try to see pre-market open, right? Pre-market open में देखते हैं, but then pre-market open is more volatility and less liquidity. So when you see some action in the pre-market open, many people get scared away. उनको लगता है कि pre-market open में काफ़ी सारा movement हो रहा है, so probably this stock is actually doing well and is going to do well rather. And when the market opens, it is not necessary. Okay, it is not necessary that the pre-market open will respond, the post-market open will respond to the pre-market open. So what you got to do is you got to find out, okay, you got to find out how the setting is taking place, how the market has opened, and especially आज के सिनेरियो में क्या हो रहा है आजकल, what is happening nowadays, जो ज़्यादा देख रहे हैं हम, Yeah, guys, what is happening? Yeah, what do you see often in the market? You see lot of gaps, right? You see lot of gaps, and when gaps occur in the market, they create a disturbance. Yes, there is sideways action, but at the market open you see a gap up open or a gap down open, and this gap up gap down causes lot of issues. And the whole idea is that this particular gap can be used very constructively, right? So gap up and gap down offers us lot of insight on what is the kind of market action taking place. और gap up gap down आप जरूर use कर सकते हैं. That is one way in which you could track the market open. There is another way to see is using the range approach, which some of you have mentioned. The range approach is also a very good approach in which you can find out how exactly there is a range breakout or a breakdown. On uske basis पे आप काम कर सकते हैं. And if you guys are familiar with VWAP, if you have not seen that, you can go and check out my videos. It's there on our feed. So you will be able to actually get insight from the VWAP also. Plus, of course, there is open interest which will give you some indication. But then डायरेक्ट प्राइस एक्शन में से आप ये सारी चीज फॉलो कर सकते हैं. वॉल्यूम में से आप वीवैप देख सकते हैं और उसके बेसिस पे आपको पता चल सकता है कि हो रहा क्या है मार्केट में. बिकॉज when you are going to when you don't understand the open, okay, when you don't understand the open, what is the biggest problem? That you end up selecting the wrong trade. That's what I've always seen. That when you go and select the wrong stock, होता क्या है? You are mostly stuck with that position. But sometimes by the time it crosses the previous day previous high, or it crosses the previous day previous low, it sometimes becomes late, or you may have challenges in the stock crossing the previous day previous high. So while previous day previous high or previous day previous low is a good indicator, you need to combine it with certain other elements. That's what makes it very interesting, and that's what we have done in NeoTrader also. In NeoTrader also, we have combined various sets of elements, and we have used it in a very detailed way. So if you would like to know more about NeoTrader, you can attend our webinars and find out more about how to handle such scenario, because we have done it very beautifully in NeoTrader, and we have designed it in such a way that anyone who is going to approach the market will never have to worry at the market open. क्योंकि market जब भी open होता है, the first challenge is the stock selection. Because if your stock selection is not correct, you will always have challenges. Because once you take a position, then you are going to hold on to that position for some time. And that is the reason why you need to first check कि आप किस तरह स्टॉक सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो आपका जो स्टॉक सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस जो है वो ठीक तरह से होना चाहिए. दैट इज द पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2 इज आप जो मेथड अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, दैट हैज टू बी मोर रोबस्ट. And one such method I'll be discussing in my webinar. If you would like to know that, then you can attend my webinar on Saturday. I'll be discussing about a very important method which addresses the 3 pain points of every trader, which is how should I select a stock right at the open, what should I do to take the entry, and how should I manage the trade. So ये सारे चीज़ें मैं cover कर रहा हूँ, and I'm going to be doing a detailed webinar on Saturday. The link is there in the bio. You can check out that and you can register for the webinar. But now I'm speaking about how you select stocks at the open. And when you talk about stock selection at the open, why I'm saying at the open? क्योंकि opening में सबको जल्दी है, right? Most of us are in a hurry to select a stock and get inside the trade. But then आप market का structure देखेंगे, okay? How is the market structured? You have got the broader markets, then you have got your sector, and then you have got your stocks. But unfortunately, all of us end up investing or buying into a stock, and then we look at the sector. So इस तरह आप काम करेंगे तो आपका जो नतीजा है वो हमेशा अनफ्रूटफुल रहेगा, क्योंकि आप सेक्टर के साथ नहीं चल रहे, आप ट्रेंड के साथ नहीं चल रहे हैं. सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग right of the open, okay, when you want to know how is the market doing at the open, it is very critical. क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग सोचते हैं कि आज मार्केट नेगेटिव बंद दे दिया तो कल सबका एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि मार्केट नेगेटिव खुलेगा, लेकिन अगर SGX पॉजिटिव रहा तो देन फिर वापस कंफ्यूज. तो जो पिछले 3 हफ्ते से जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है, इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूअस चॉपी मार्केट. और इस चॉपी मार्केट में जो ओपनिंग जो है, जो मार्केट की जो ओपनिंग है, दैट इज वेरी वेरी क्रिटिकल. बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट थिंक ऑफ हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्रोच द मार्केट एट द ओपन, यू नो इट्स लाइक अ स्वैम्प. आप फंस जाएंगे, फिर आप पोजीशन से बाहर नहीं आएंगे. आप पोजीशन से बाहर नहीं आएंगे तो आप दूसरे पोजीशन नहीं ले सकते. तो इस दलदल में फंस के इवेंचुअली पीपल एंड अप सेइंग कि मार्केट गैम्बलिंग है, मार्केट में पैसा नहीं बनेगा, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. आप तो जानते ही हैं ये सारी चीज. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट एवरी ट्रेडर शुड डू इज you should address how are you going to first face the market open, and उसके बाद आपको देखना है कि आप स्टॉक सेलेक्ट कैसे करोगे, क्योंकि स्टॉक सिलेक्शन इज वेरी वेरी क्रिटिकल. और स्टॉक सिलेक्शन आई वुड से इज नंबर 1 to 10. अगर आपने गलत स्टॉक, क्योंकि हर एक स्टॉक हर दिन नहीं चलता. आज स्टॉक आज चला तो कल रेस्ट ले लेगा, लेकिन अगर आपने स्टॉक की चार्ट ठीक से नहीं पढ़ी, what will happen is you will think that yes, this stock has performed well, so Tata Motor fell down day before yesterday, so today I should go short in Tata Motor. Okay, it may work, it may not work, but then what is going to happen is that you are not understanding the overall position of the stock, you are not understanding the overall trend in that stock, and as a result, okay, as a result you are taking a position without even thinking. आप सोचे बिना काम करेंगे, so do you think that you're going to get result? The answer is no. Just like in life, without thinking if you do any action, अगर आपका फायदा हुआ तो ठीक है, ज्यादातर नुकसान ही होता है, बिकॉज सोचे बिना काम करेंगे. तो मार्केट भी कुछ इसी तरह है. एवरीवन थिंक्स दैट इन द मार्केट आई कैन जस्ट कम, छाती ठोक के आ सकते हैं और पैसा बना सकते हैं. आई एम सॉरी, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी रॉन्ग थॉट. क्योंकि मार्केट में अगर आप थोड़ी जानकारी लेंगे, थोड़ी मेहनत करेंगे और पता करेंगे कि इसमें काम कैसे करना है, तो आपको पैसे बनाने की उम्मीद है. राइट? सो ऑल ऑफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू मेक मनी, but no one is ready to work for it. So that's what I share in my training programs. So I'm coming up with a training program, so you can get to know about that through our channels. You can, if you would like to know more, you could send us a message and get to know more about it. But right now I am talking about how the market opening is very critical, what all influences it, and how we should be approaching it. Because if you are not going to think of these sessions, if you are not going to think that without learning I'm going to come into the market, you will be very very surprised. This is what everyone does. Of course, even I did the same, but then I quickly realized that this is a place where there is no formal education. आपको कोई स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाएगा मार्केट में कैसे काम करना है, आपको कोई कॉलेज में भी नहीं पढ़ाएगा. आपको सिर्फ पानी में डूबना है और तैरने के लिए सीखना है. दैट इज द ओनली वे. सो बट देन इफ यू लर्न द राइट वे, यू विल एटलीस्ट बी एबल टू swim every day, and then you can get ahead and start swimming faster and in the more depths, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you as part of today's edition, and I'm sure that you would have got some idea on how to deal with the market open. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं on the markets which I keep discussing as part of these episodes, and you can stay connected. You can take a look at the other videos which are there as part of our feed, and you will get to know more. And if you'd like to know more in detail about how to deal with the market open and how I approach the market in a particular way, you could attend my webinar on this Saturday, and I'll be happy to share with you more in detail. Right? Yes, Rome wasn't built in a day, and it'll be definitely taking some time, but then I will help you to at least understand how you can build your Rome, right? So yes, offline classes are something which I'm not doing at the moment. Currently, I'm doing online classes because many people are interested to learn across India, outside India, and they all want to be part of our workshop. They want to know how to read the markets in a structured way and find out. That's the whole idea. My whole objective is to simplify the process of market learning and ensuring that you are able to connect with the price action. And that's the whole idea. How will you connect with the price action? And that's the whole funda here. And yes, that's what I'm going to be doing. So you can check out the YouTube videos, you can check out the Instagram feed. My team is there, they continues to post a lot of interesting stuff. So if you're not part of our if you're not subscribed to our Instagram feed or YouTube feed, you can go ahead and join it, and I'll be happy to connect with you in the next episode, which will be on Tuesday. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off. See you again.